What if you woke up one day and decided, I'm going to build the tallest structure ever conceived by humankind? Sounds crazy, right? That's precisely what Dubai set out to do with the Burj Khalifa. But this wasn't just about breaking records, it was about redefining what's possible. A giant leap into the future etched against the desert skyline. The Burj Khalifa isn't just a building, it's a statement. A testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the audacity to dream on a scale previously unimaginable. Standing at a mind-boggling 828 meters, that's 2,717 feet, it dwarfs everything around it, piercing the clouds like a futuristic needle. To put that into perspective, imagine stacking nearly 3 Eiffel Towers on top of each other. Or picture this. It's so tall that residents on the upper floors experience sunsets minutes later than those at ground level. The story of the Burj Khalifa begins in 2004 as part of Dubai's strategic master plan to transform itself from an oil-dependent economy to a global hub for tourism, finance, and real estate. The building was developed by Emaar Properties as the centerpiece of the larger downtown Dubai project, a massive 2-square-kilometer development including residential units, hotels, and the Dubai Mall. Dubai's vision wasn't simple vanity. It was a calculated economic strategy. By creating an architectural wonder that would capture the world's imagination, Dubai aimed to put itself firmly on the global map, attracting international investment, tourists, and talent. The Burj Khalifa was designed to be more than just the world's tallest building. It was meant to be a symbol of Dubai's ambition and future prospects. So, who dreamt this up? Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, SOM, with Adrian Smith as lead architect. But here's where it gets fascinating. The design was not created in isolation. It was inspired directly by the region's culture and environment. The building's unique Y-shaped floor plan was inspired by the Hymenocallis flower, a desert bloom that thrives in harsh climates. This wasn't just an aesthetic choice. It was engineering brilliance disguised as art. The Y shape creates a buttressed central core with 3 wings that provide exceptional stability and torsional resistance, crucial for a building of this height. Each of the petals of this flower design represents a separate wing. As the building rises, these wings set back in an ascending spiral pattern. This design isn't just beautiful, it breaks up the flow of the wind around the building, preventing dangerous pressure differences and vibrations that could threaten the structure. It also maximizes window views for residents and hotel guests, creating some of the most dramatic vistas in the world. How do you even begin to build something this tall? You start from the ground, way down. The foundation of the Burj Khalifa is an engineering marvel in itself. Construction began with excavation in January 2004. The foundation consists of a 3.7-meter-thick reinforced concrete mat supported by 192 piles extending 43 to 50 meters deep into the earth. This foundation alone used 45,000 cubic meters of concrete and weighs a staggering 110,000 tons. Imagine the challenge, creating a foundation strong enough to support what would become a half-mile-high structure in desert soil, in a region known for its extreme temperatures. This wasn't just about digging holes and pouring concrete. It required innovative engineering solutions to ensure stability for generations to come. From flower inspiration to steel and concrete reality, the Burj Khalifa's construction was a monumental task. This leads us directly into the heart of it, building the impossible. How do you raise a structure half a mile into the sky? Concrete, and lots of it, 330,000 cubic meters to be exact. That's enough to build a solid concrete highway from New York to Philadelphia. But it wasn't just any concrete. Imagine trying to pump concrete that high in the scorching Dubai heat, where temperatures can soar past 120 degrees Fahrenheit. A special mix was created to withstand these extreme conditions, Glenium Sky 504, developed by BASF. This high-performance concrete was designed to maintain workability for extended periods, ensuring it wouldn't set too quickly during the long journey to the upper levels. It also had to withstand the tremendous pressure at the base of the building and the desert's harsh climate conditions. Steel reinforcement was equally impressive. 39,000 tons of steel rebar was used throughout the structure. That's the equivalent weight of 5 Eiffel Towers. This intricate skeleton provides the building with the necessary tensile strength to withstand powerful desert winds and potential seismic activity. But what if you need to get concrete, really strong concrete, almost half a kilometer into the sky? That's the puzzle the Burj Khalifa's engineers had to solve. Regular pumps simply wouldn't make a dent. In November 2007, the construction team set a world record when they pumped concrete to a height of 606 meters using a specialized Putzmeister 14,000 SHPD pump. Imagine sending a heavy, viscous material up the equivalent of a 200-story building without it hardening along the way. The process took approximately 40 minutes from ground level to the top. Over 32 months, they pumped 165,000 cubic meters of concrete using this advanced technology. It wasn't a simple, continuous process. It required multi-stage pumping, with the concrete pushed in stages, like a relay race, to prevent the pipes from exploding under the extreme pressure. This wasn't just a feat of engineering. It was a triumph of human collaboration. At its peak, 12,000 workers from over 100 countries worked tirelessly on the site. Think about that. 12,000 people from all corners of the world, speaking dozens of languages, working together toward a single goal. These workers contributed an astounding 22 million man-hours to make this vision a reality. The project exemplified global collaboration, bringing together expertise, materials, and labor from around the world to achieve what many thought impossible. The Burj Khalifa was breaking records left and right. But here's a twist that nearly derailed the entire project. Dubai hit a tremendous financial snag during the 2008 global financial crisis. As the world economy plunged into recession, Dubai faced serious debt issues. Projects stalled throughout the emirate. Funding dried up. Imagine the stress. The world's tallest building was at risk of becoming an unfinished monument to economic hubris. This is where neighboring Abu Dhabi stepped in with a crucial $10 billion bailout in December 2009. This financial lifeline saved not just the Burj Khalifa, but many of Dubai's ambitious projects. As a gesture of gratitude, the building, originally named Burj Dubai, was renamed the Burj Khalifa in honor of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the president of the UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi. This renaming, which happened during the building's inauguration on January 4, 2010, symbolized Dubai's acknowledgement of Abu Dhabi's critical support, which helped the emirate avoid defaulting on debts exceeding $80 billion. How do you live in such a tall building in the middle of the desert? Dubai temperatures regularly soar past 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The Burj Khalifa needed one of the world's most sophisticated cooling systems. Imagine living on the 100th floor and the AC breaks down. Not just uncomfortable, it would be uninhabitable. The building's cooling system isn't just about comfort. It's essential for the structure's integrity. The extreme heat could actually warp the materials. The solution: a massive cooling plant that uses chilled water to maintain comfortable temperatures throughout the building. The system is equivalent to melting 10,000 tons of ice every day. It pumps nearly 946,000 liters of water throughout the building daily. 7 dedicated mechanical floors, spaced approximately every 30 stories, house these units and other essential systems. The building has a peak electrical demand of 36 megawatts, enough to power a small town. Without this advanced cooling infrastructure, the Burj Khalifa would be uninhabitable in Dubai's harsh climate. With over 160 stories, stairs are definitely not an option. So how do you move people up and down efficiently? Elevators. But not just any elevators, the most advanced vertical transportation system ever designed. The Burj Khalifa features 57 elevators and 8 escalators. Among these is a main service elevator that rises an astounding 504 meters at speeds up to 9 meters per second, about 20 mph, with a capacity of 5,500 kilograms. Think about the engineering challenges: ensuring smooth acceleration, managing air pressure changes, and maintaining safety at these heights. These high-speed elevators can take visitors from the ground floor to the observation deck in less than a minute. For perspective, that's traveling nearly half a kilometer vertically in about 60 seconds. The building also holds the record for the longest elevator travel distance in the world. This sophisticated elevator system required significant engineering to ensure comfort and safety. Pressure equalization, motion stabilization, and redundant safety systems were all essential considerations when transporting thousands of people daily through the world's tallest building. The Burj Khalifa's gleaming exterior isn't just for show. It's a technological marvel. The cladding process began in May 2007 and was completed by September 2009, with the installation of 26,000 hand-cut aluminum and glass panels. These panels extend to a height of 512 meters, creating the building's distinctive, reflective exterior. Each panel was specifically designed to withstand Dubai's extreme heat while optimizing energy efficiency. The cladding reflects sunlight and heat, reducing the building's cooling requirements. If you laid all these panels end to end, they would stretch to 293 times the length of the Eiffel Tower. The installation process itself was a logistical challenge, requiring specialized equipment and techniques to work at such heights while battling desert winds. The Burj Khalifa's iconic spire is more than just decoration. It's an engineering achievement in itself. This telescopic structure, weighing 4,000 tons of structural steel, was jacked to over 200 meters using a hydraulic pump system. The spire houses vital communication equipment and completes the building's distinctive silhouette. Its installation was one of the most challenging aspects of the construction, requiring precision engineering and careful planning to ensure safety and stability at such extreme heights. Maintaining the world's tallest building presents unique challenges. Consider something as seemingly simple as window washing. The Burj Khalifa employs 18 track and telescopic cradles with 36-meter reach capability. A complete cleaning of the building's exterior takes between 3 to 4 months to complete. By the time the team finishes, it's nearly time to start again. This continuous maintenance cycle ensures the building maintains its gleaming appearance year-round. The Burj Khalifa's story goes beyond steel and concrete. Consider this. What does a structure like this do for a city? It reshapes the skyline, attracts tourists, and brings international recognition. The tower has become the centerpiece of the 2-square-kilometer downtown Dubai development, attracting approximately 17 million tourists annually. It holds multiple world records, including tallest building, longest elevator travel distance, and highest habitable floor. The observation deck on level 124 offers panoramic views of Dubai and is visible from up to 95 kilometers away. The building has achieved its goal of putting Dubai on the global map, transforming it from a regional trade hub to a worldwide tourist destination and business center. So there you have it, the Burj Khalifa, a skyscraper that redefined what's possible in architecture and engineering. In just a few years, Dubai transformed from a regional trade hub to a global city, and the Burj Khalifa was the exclamation point on that transformation. The building wasn't just built, it was engineered, financed, and willed into existence through vision, determination, and international collaboration. It withstood financial crisis, extreme climate challenges, and unprecedented engineering obstacles to become what it is today, not just the world's tallest building, but a symbol of human ambition and possibility. Now, imagine standing at the top, nearly half a mile above the ground. The world stretches out beneath you, a tapestry of city lights and desert landscape. It's an amazing experience that only a few get to have. And the feeling of being in the tallest structure ever built by human hands, absolutely priceless. That's the power of ambition fulfilled. But this is just one icon of Dubai's incredible growth and ambition. Ready to explore more? Then smash that subscribe button right now. Why? Because in our next video, we're diving into the Palm Islands, another mind-blowing project that pushed the limits of engineering and design. You absolutely do not want to miss it. So hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you're alerted the moment it drops. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments, what other architectural marvels should we explore next? I'm genuinely interested in your suggestions and read as many as I can. Stay tuned, because that's a deep dive you won't want to miss. The Burj Khalifa isn't just a building. It's a reminder that with vision, collaboration, and a whole lot of determination, anything is possible. It's Dubai, daring the world to dream bigger.